Today we are going to learn the defined coordinate system for the CNC lathe trainer, and then we shall discuss about the CNC mill trainer also. So before that, the basic thing is, you see, in case of CNC lathe trainer or in general in case of lathe, it is usually we call it two-dimensional machine. And here on that chart, the job is inserted and the chart rotates, that means the job rotates. Whereas the tool, it can only traverse along this longitudinal direction or the transverse direction. So job rotates and tool traverses. Whereas in case of milling center, it is a vertical milling center which will be discussed later on. There you may notice that the job holds the tool, not the job. The chart holds the tool, not the job. That means the tool rotates, whereas the job is mounted on a table and it can traverse either in the X direction or Y direction. So quite opposite to that CNC lathe trainer. Now next thing is why do we need the coordinate system? You see, in CNC lathe trainer, first thing is we have to write the part program. For writing the part program, we have to provide the coordinates with respect to some reference frame of the tool position, because the tool tip has to move different coordinates. So for that, we need to first know the reference frame. That means there are three axes: x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So in case of lathe trainer, fortunately we do not have any y-axis, that means vertical movement is restricted, it is not there. Only two directional movement can be achieved. So first thing is, which one is x-axis and which one is z-axis. So for that, the common technique is, if we move the tool away from the job, where do we fix the job? We fix the job on the chart. Suppose here the chart is, here on the chart we have fixed the job like this. So if we move the tool away from this chart, that means it is going toward that side is considered as positive. And this chart axis, that means longitudinal axis, is considered as the z-axis. Okay, so it is the z-axis. So in the z-axis, you fix the job like this on the chart. So this longitudinal direction itself gives us z-axis. So this is the z-axis. Now which direction will be considered as positive z-axis? So for that, the technique is, if we move this tool away from the tool, away from the job, that means toward that side, then that direction is considered as positive z direction. If we move the tool towards the job, that will be considered as negative z axis. So I think you understood the positive direction and negative direction of z axis, and which axis is considered as z axis. Next thing is the x axis. The transverse axis is considered as the x axis. That means this one. This is considered as the x axis. Okay. Now next thing is, which direction will be considered as positive x. The technique is same. If we move the tool away from the job, that means the job is fixed here like this. Now if we move the tool away from the job surface like this, so this direction will be considered as the positive direction for x. Similarly, if we move the tool towards the job, that will be considered as negative x axis. So move the tool towards job, negative. Move the tool away from the job, positive. Z axis is the longitudinal direction, x axis is the transverse direction. So with this reference axis, we can easily now fix the job origin and we can do the work. Because without this, we cannot write the program. We need to know coordinates with respect to some reference frame. So I think it is clear to you the reference frame for this CNC lathe. If you have any questions, you may ask your questions, post your questions through mail or ask your questions in the Google Meet. Thank you.